Yes, good afternoon from a sunny Netherlands, end of the day. We've been shooting some videos today because the weather's super fine. And just before dark, last video for today is the Honda CB750 K0. The color is really amazing. We'll get a close-up on it when I come back. Top condition, and the sound of a K0 is really nice and rough. So let's hear it. Oh. It's one of my favorite sounds. And you can hear it when you stop. You can hear it in the exhaust. We don't have a lot of fuel in it, so it can stop any moment now, but okay. If you're interested in a Honda, this is a very nice one. Maybe take a shot from behind. No, you can hear it. No, hierachter. When you, the sound is brutal. Love it. Okay, well, the bike is in top condition. We made a lot of pictures, will be on the website. You can see and zoom into it. Well, if you like it, call us, visit us, or schedule a video call with us, and we ship it worldwide. If you don't like a K0, we also have a K1. We have a K0 K1, and we have a K2, and we have a K6. So we can offer you more different models in the Honda CB750s. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe. Bye bye.